G'day traders, just wanted to walk through a couple of setups that came on to my radar today through CMLViz. So the first one was AMT, which was a long strangle technical setup. So if we dive into this here, you can see it's had a pretty good success rate in the past. And I think the trigger for this is when it breaks below the 200-day moving average and it's below the 10-day moving average as well. 20% stop loss, otherwise we close after 10 days. So obviously, past performance doesn't guarantee future performance and all that sort of stuff. Do your own due diligence, but this one has a pretty good success rate. We can see the entries and exits here. You can see the first couple we get the little break and then a big move in the opposite direction. It happened 3 times in a row. This is the one here that didn't really work, stopped out for a small loss, but otherwise it has worked pretty well in the past. So that was an interesting one, just buying 40 delta calls, 40 delta puts with 14-day expiration, and as I said, 20% stop loss and close after 10 days. The next one, or two really, were pre-earnings trades, which I really like. I love using CMLViz for this. So JP nice success rate there, 5 wins, 1 loss, and also Texas Instruments, 7 wins, 1 loss in the past. So let's just take a look at those. Texas Instruments, it's a long call trade with a 40% stop, 40% profit target. So you can see here really good success rate in the past. And what you find a lot of times is stocks like this, the volatility will really hold up quite well into earnings. So buying these calls, they don't suffer too much time decay because that volatility tends to rise into earnings. What you can do if you want to reduce the risk a little bit, sometimes I don't like just buying straight calls, but you could turn this into a call spread. Or even if you're a little bit more conservative, even potentially do a put spread. But that's a nice signal there. Diagonals are good as well, call diagonals, pre-earnings. And JP same story, just buying calls. Again, really nice success rate on this one. 7 days to expirations, and the same 40% stop loss, 40% profit target. So there's a couple of interesting trades that I thought came across. It's not often you see large market cap stocks like this coming up every day on CMLViz. So these were some good opportunities that I thought were worth pointing out. Right, have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.